How to overcome the plateau. What to do when your English stops improving. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Have you been learning English for a while but suddenly feel stuck? Like no matter how much you study, you're not improving? This is called a learning plateau, and it happens to almost every language learner. The good news? There are ways to break through it. In today's video, I'll explain why learning plateaus happen and give you 6 powerful strategies to keep improving your English. Why do learning plateaus happen? Plateaus occur when your brain gets comfortable with what it knows and stops feeling challenged. In the beginning, everything is new, so progress is fast. But once you reach an intermediate level, learning slows down. Your brain gets used to familiar patterns, and you stop absorbing new information. The key to overcoming a plateau is pushing your brain out of its comfort zone. Step 1. Identify what's holding you back. The first step is figuring out why your progress has slowed. Ask yourself, am I practicing enough speaking? Am I repeating the same study routine without adding new challenges? Am I avoiding difficult content because it feels uncomfortable? Try this. Write down one area where you feel stuck and make a plan to improve it. Step 2. Challenge yourself with more difficult content. If your learning feels easy, it's time to increase the difficulty. Start watching native-level TV shows and movies without subtitles. Read books or articles that are slightly above your current level. Try having longer and deeper conversations in English. Your brain grows when it's forced to process challenging material. Try this. Pick a difficult English video or article and push yourself to understand it today. Step 3. Change your learning methods. Sometimes progress stops because you're using the same methods for too long. If you always study alone, try joining a study group or getting a tutor. If you only read and listen, start practicing more speaking and writing. If you always use the same app, switch to a different resource for fresh challenges. Try this. Change one part of your study routine this week. Step 4. Track your progress to stay motivated. When you feel stuck, it's easy to forget how far you've come. Keep a journal of new words and phrases. Record yourself speaking and listen to old recordings to hear your improvement. Set small, measurable goals like learn 10 new words this week. Try this. Look at something you wrote or recorded 6 months ago and compare it to now. See how much you've improved. Step 5. Get more real-life practice. One of the biggest reasons for plateaus is not using English in real situations. Talk to a language partner or tutor at least once a week. Join English-speaking communities online. Challenge yourself to think in English every day. Try this. Have a 5-minute conversation in English today, even if it's just talking to yourself. Final challenge, break through your learning plateau. For the next 7 days, challenge yourself with harder content. Change part of your learning routine. Track your progress and celebrate improvements. Comment below. What's been the hardest part of your learning plateau? Let's break through it together. Keep learning, push yourself, and see you in the next video.